Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily change your username in Etoro and what are the only way how you can change your username. So when you come here and you would write it to Google, you would see it right here. Etoro doesn't offer the functionality to change your username. However, you can request to close your current account and open a new one with a new username and different email address. Please note that by doing so, you will lose all your current trading history and statistics, and you will need to build up your portfolio from the start, as well as provide any requested identification documentation. So it's really risky to change your username, and the only way how we can do it, you need to go top left, settings, account, and close your Etoro account. And select category, payment issues, account issues, whatever. No, please close my account, and then you need to confirm it. But this is again really risky because like all the statistics or the verification that you had for your account so will be gone. But this is pretty much it how you can do it. Under withdrawal funds, click settings, account, email, and account statement. Close your Etoro account. So yeah, if you can have any questions guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.